guys, it's raining, but there was one part that I was really looking for, and today I actually found it. Finally I was able to locate the location. Let's go. Here we go as fast as possible. Eh, mom? Huh? We're going parts hunting. The wait is killing me. We have another 41 minutes to go. Here comes our exit. Is our exit. Another 20 minutes to go. So we are almost there. This is our ETA. Let's go. Let's go. Amma, enjoying the view, huh? We are there. Another minute to go.
In 100 meters, you will arrive at received location.
Here, boss. This is the place. Bro, ini dia itu kereta lu cari.
80.
80.
Oh, betul. Tahu tarik ni dah. Nah. Tahu apa seperti sana? Banyak masalah. Oi. Mama, tu kau apa?
My friend pintu do.
आगे वाले पीछे
नहीं. Oh, nice. Okay, bye.
Okay.
Thank you, brother,
Okay.
for all these parts. Thank you very much. Mama, what did you got today? Look at this original Ford Laser radio. Finally, man. Well, according to the scrap guy, it works, but we have to find out. Okay, mom, where you wanna eat? Mana mau makan?
Makan
Kya khao se? Kya khao se?
dal bhat.
Dal bhat. Okay, let's go. Alright, I would call this a very successful hunt. Heading back home, bro. Finally back home. So a short recap of what we got today. Steering column, the plastic cover where the signal light and hazard light, assembly goes, right? Wiper motor, so according to the spare part guy, it works apparently. And an original FordLaserKB tape deck. Look at that. I was not hoping at all to find this, but somehow or other इसको ऑटो सीजरन को कहते हैं. Oh, this is the company used to import this stuff made in Japan. Got the socket as well. Neat stuff. So stay tuned, guys. All of this hunting is to restore this car. It will be a mix of resto mod and also original parts. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.